Derek. And I play Pokemon. Don't hide it. We're not in school.
I'm not playing anything. What? There's nothing down there. Stop reaching for stuff. What are you doing?
Give me your
I
Pokemon.
won't have it. I'll have Pokemon. Look, my Pikachu is grew to level 6. No,
What did I do?
that turns the volume up.
No!
Hey! I hadn't saved it yet. And you just broke my... It won't go in now.
Nuh-uh. Did I seriously break it? I didn't break it. Are you seriously mad at me?
I didn't get saved. I didn't get to freaking save it.